in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City. Open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 4:30 a.m. At 3:02 a.m., a front was located over Wilmette Harbor, moving south at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Cribs, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Michigan City, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Hamlet Marina, and Jackson Park Harbor. Anna Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Burns Harbor, Marina Shores at Dune Harbor, and Hamlet Marina. Here is the nearshore marine. In northern Indiana has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to midline of Lake Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan. New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan. Nearshore and open waters from Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan until 6:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:48 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a thunderstorm was located 9 nautical miles northeast of New Buffalo, or 12 nautical miles southwest of St. Joseph, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include New Buffalo and Michigan City.
Or shut the f*** up.
Porter County in northwestern Indiana, northeastern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 5:45 a.m. At 5 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hobart.
Very high winds outside my house right now.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Wouldn't be surprised to see me go under one too.
Expects damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gary, Portage, Merrillville, Valparaiso, Hobart, Crown Point, Chesterton, Lake Station, Lakes of the Four Seasons, South Haven, Porter, Winfield, New Chicago, Camps, Burns Harbor, Ogden Dunes, Town of Pines, Beverly Shores, Wheeler, and Dune Acres. Including the following interstates: Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 9 and 16. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 15 and 37. Indiana Interstate 94 between mile markers 16 and 32. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 248 and 261.
You guys hear that?
This includes Indiana University Northwest, Valparaiso University, Indiana Dunes State Park, Porter County Fairgrounds, and South Shore Railcats Baseball. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Cass County in southwestern Michigan, southeastern Berrien County in southwestern Michigan, until 6:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Moving east. Miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Niles, Dowagiac, Buchanan, Berrien Springs, Cassopolis, Edwardsburg, Bertrand, Waukegan, Dayton, Baroda, Eau Claire, Galion, Glendora, Daly, LaGrange, Barron Lake, Sumnerville, and Indian Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Your thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following. Has been issued until 6:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Michigan, Berrien, and Cass. Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, southern Porter County in northwestern Indiana, southern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, northern Jasper County in northwestern Indiana until 7:15 a.m. At 6:37 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Village, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lamont, Wheatfield, Lake Village, Rose Lawn, Shelby, Schneider, Fair Oaks, Dunn's Bridge, Fair, Sumava Resorts, Bailey's Corner in Stoutsburg. Shelby, Schneider, Fair Oaks, Dunn's Bridge, Fair, Sumava Resorts, Bailey's Corner in Stoutsburg, including the following interstate.
That was fast. That was very fast.
Located over Wyrenville or over Naperville, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Naperville, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Lombard, Carroll Street, Glendale Heights, Woodridge, Glen Ellen, West Chicago, Westmont, Blount, Darien, Warrenville, and Winfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
What the? Huh? Okay, hold on, bro. 30 minutes. Excuse what?
In Illinois, Boone, Bureau, Carroll, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Ford, Grundy,
I don't know why
Iroquois, Kane,
my recoms are reading it as a
Kendall,
30-minute event.
Lake, Lee, Livingston, Marshall, McHenry, McLean, Ogle, Stevenson, White Star, Will, in Indiana, Benton, Jasper, Lake, Newton, and Porter, and the following, Winthrop, Harborsville, Lake Harbor.
I need to shut KJLS
Severe weather, including large hail.
Okay.
Wind 10 to 15 knots becoming north 5 to 10 knots late. While severe weather thunderstorms and numerous showers should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions. Listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and
Yeah, I'm sort of getting it right here. I don't think I got that even just 689 though.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Fulton County, Indiana, northeastern Cass County, Indiana, northwestern Miami County, Indiana, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Mexico, or 11 miles south of Rochester, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage. Expect wind 0. The
Oh wait, no, that's trying to
severe thunderstorm will be near.
my mistake.
25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Chile, Fulton, 12 Mile, Stockdale, Erie, Deepsville, and Denver. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Fulton, and Miami. Western Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 8:15 p.m. At 7:37 p.m., two severe thunderstorms were located near Valley View and near Elburn,
I need a break
moving
real
east at
quick.
10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elgin, Wheaton, Bartlett, Streamwood, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Addison, Glendale Heights, St. Charles, West Chicago, Batavia, Geneva, Canton Hills. Storm warning for Fulton County, Indiana, southwestern Kosciuszko County, Indiana, northwestern Miami County, Indiana, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe west of Rochester, moving east at 20 miles. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter size. Radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Rochester around 9:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Akron around 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm: Lake Manitou, Athens, Gilead, and Macy. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Spawn a tornado go at once into the basement or small central room on a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Indiana, Fulton, Kosciuszko, and Miami. For 10 miles west of Warsaw, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations include Warsaw, Winona Lake, Minto, Tippecanoe, Atwood, Palestine, Big Chapman Lake, and Old Tip Town. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Kosciuszko, and Marshall. Northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until at 8:11 p.m. Severe located over central King County and northern DuPage County from Glendale Heights to South Elgin to Elburn, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Elgin, Schaumburg, Wheaton, Hoffman Estates, Bartlett, Streamwood, Carroll Street, Hanover Park, Glendale Heights, St. Charles, Glen Ellen, West Chicago, Batavia, Geneva, Canton Hills, and Warrenville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the tower. Hazard, 60 these storms, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Yeah.
The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, southern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 2:15 a.m. At 8:24 p.m., Delta radar and automated rain gauges indicated nearly stationary thunderstorms producing rain rates of 1 to 2 inches of rain per hour. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen near St. Charles. Flash flood, a severe hazard, flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other forward drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Aurora, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Bartlett, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Addison, Glendale Heights, Elk Grove Village, St. Charles, Woodridge, Glen Ellen, West Chicago, Batavia, and Geneva. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Locations impacted include Waukegan, North Chicago, Gurnee, Mundelein, Round Lake Beach, Furnace Hills, Zion, Grave Lake, Libertyville, Round Lake, Antioch, Waconda, Fox Lake, Lake Villa, Lindenworth, Beach Park, Gage Lake, Long Grove, Hawthorne Woods, and Park City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Power just went out, but it came back on, and now an LOT Marine warning.
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has
Give me a second.
marine warning for nearshore waters from Burns Harbor to
Everything
Michigan
just
City.
went out.
Open waters from Little Lake Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 10:30 p.m. At 9:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Burns Harbor, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
Internet needs to reconnect.
Locations impacted include Michigan City.
Lightning is kind of interfering with signal here. Lake Indiana the Hills. Let's hope the power does not go out again. Here we go, boys.
Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western St. Joseph County, Indiana, east central LaPorte County in northwest.
It's not for my area, but it's for my county.
Eastern Daylight Time, or 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 10:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Kingsford Heights, or 8 miles southeast of LaPorte, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect little damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations of town include South Bend, LaPorte, North Liberty, New Carlisle. There were no damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Fish Lake, Chino Lakes, Crumstown, Stillwell, and Liebig. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Did they, like, just finish the line?
Sounds like somebody's on this.
Discord's being weird right now.
Thunderstorm warning for southeastern King County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 11:30 p.m. At 10:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Ewing to near west Chicago to near Sugar Grove, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Aurora, Naperville, Elgin, Cicero, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, One, South Prospect, Oak Park, Downers Grove, and Glenview. For your protection, move to an interior room.
Nothing. I can't get anything on this.
mid-late until 12:30 a.m. At 10:27 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Waukegan Harbor to near Elgin to 12 nautical miles west of Aurora, moving southeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft.
I'm catching it right
damage
now.
from briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Hammond Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, and Belmont Harbor. 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, wind indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Morris, Old City, Whiteville, Gardner, Monon, Graceville, South Wilmington, Dudley, Carbonville, Verona, East Brooklyn, and Kingsland. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 219 and 233. Interstate 80 between mile markers 104 and 120. This includes Glenwood State Park, Grundy County Speedway and Fairgrounds, and William G. Stratton State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for St. Joseph County, Indiana, until 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:45
I'm filming it right
Eastern
now,
Daylight
yeah.
Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near North Liberty for 8 miles west of Gulliver Airport, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 kilometers per hour, quarter size hail. Miles west, radar indicated. Locations impacted include Lakeville, Roseland, Indian Village, Crumbstown, Woodland, Lilac, and Wyatt. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning.
Can do in Will SVR as well.
30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday.
I don't know if I want to get that or not.
St. Joseph, Indiana.
I'm gonna try to get it real quick.
Between mile markers 124 and 133. Interstate 355 between mile markers 10 and 14. This includes University of St. Francis, Chicago, Raceway, Joliet Junior College, Joliet Flammers Baseball, and Lewis University. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is an extremely dangerous situation.
Oh,
Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm has the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage.
new LLT SVR. Come on.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cook County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 11.
Oh yeah, I see that. Give me
60 mile an hour observed.
Located along a line extending from near Batavia to Shorewood to near Morris, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard,
That's
60
been
miles
storms.
per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. This storm has a history of producing wind damage in Kendall County. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Joliet, Hammond, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn.
Excuse me? Recom R1630. Why are you reading off a coastal flood watch right now? Where on earth did you get that from? That is weird. Let me look for the alert history on this thing. Must have done something when the power went out. That is strange.
And 155. Interstate 94 between mile marker 66 and 74. Interstate 294 between mile marker 66 and 74. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 11. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 2. This includes Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, Shanahan State Park, Hollywood Casino Amphitheater, Governor State University, Moraine Valley Community College, Prairie State College, South Suburban College, and Will County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor.
What was that? SVA just got issued for me. I'm under a severe watch. Yeah. Okay, let's see what this area is for. Let me pull this up. Also, we are not calling Twitter X. We are calling it Twitter forever. Who's with me? Oh my god, that includes the entire IWX forecast area, and I am under it. Now we gotta wait for them to tone. What? So you're not getting anything for the rest of the night?
SVA 5563 has been issued. But there might be severe warning for the. Gavin, you're under an SVA.
Yeah, I'm aware. I'm recording right now, and there they go. Oh no, they're relaying something else. What is this? What is this? What is this? Right before the SVA, they're relaying something else. It's an SVR. For my area.
Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kosciuszko County, Indiana, East Central Marshall County.
No, it's not for my area. That was the SVA. I'm dumb. Okay, a lot is happening right now. Give me a second. Right before they were going to tone the SVA, SVR from IWX.
Well, at least you're going to get a double header.
Yeah. Oh, and guys, let me tell you guys something. So, apparently, when the power went out, my Recom R1630 read an alert as a coastal flood watch. I'm not joking. A coastal flood watch was scrolling from my Recom, and I was like, what? Okay. Now they're going to relay the SVA here.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday for the following counties in Indiana, Kosciuszko, and Marshall.
Here they go.
National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 563, effective until 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday, or 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Fulton, LaPorte, Marshall, Pulaski, St. Joseph, and Stark, and the following counties in Michigan: Berrien and Cass, and the following: New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan, and Lake Michigan from Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan.
Currently 11:02.
Offshore to mid-lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development.
I missed the WH-57 relay at the SBR, but oh well. What the hell is going on? Flash flood warning. Oh my god, dude.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois
Chicago
until 3 a.m. At 11:01 p.m.
Guys, I cannot get a break right now. I've been recording for nearly 5 minutes.
Have fun with that. That's how I felt. Flash warning for Cook.
Yeah, and I'm catching... Right after the SVA was done relaying, they're now relaying the Chicago FFW.
Rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas.
Okay, let's go get Casey. Why not?
Room on the lowest
Oops.
floor of a building. Northbrook, South serving parts of the town. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along the range waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.
Here's a summary of this 5-minute video. IWX SVR, then we have the SVA, and then right as the SVA finished to be toned, and a flash flood warning from Chicago that is for the city of Chicago.
Radar indicated. Intact. Expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kankakee, Bourbon, Bradley, Mantino, Norman, Fisher, Limestone, Aroma Park, Hopkins Park, Essex, Sun River Terrace, Bondfield, Buckingham, Salmon Point, Gabbard, Reddick, and Irwin, including the following interstates: Interstate 57 between mile markers 302 and 324. River State Park and all of the Nazarene University. Protection units want to carry a room on the lowest floor of a building.
Gotta turn my zone guard on.
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Little Lake Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Little Lake Harbor out to Big Lake until 12:30 a.m. At 11:10 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Wakefield to 6 nautical miles southwest of Pleasant Prairie, moving east of 45 miles. Hazard, wind gusts to 49. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor and Muskegon Harbor.
I'm just getting it. Right here. CORC.
Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Wood County and northeastern Illinois, northeastern Kankakee County and northeastern Illinois until 11:45 p.m. At 11:24 p.m., a tornado-producing storm was located near Houston, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Grant Park around 11:30 p.m. Feature 45 minutes. This includes both county fairgrounds, including the following interstate. Interstate 57 between mile markers 330 and 331. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. In northwestern Indiana until 12:15 a.m.
Catching it right now. That is 70 miles an hour and tornado possible, and that's all heading for me.
Outside of Chicago to near feature to near Bend, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact expected.
And now what's this? Special Marine warning from IWX.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana, to St. Joseph. New Buffalo, Michigan. New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph. Baseball and US 41 Dragway. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Were located along a line extending from 9 nautical miles southwest of South Haven Lake to 10 nautical miles north of New Buffalo to near Michigan City, moving east at 45. Chicago has issued a special marine warning for near 40 knots and small hail. Source radar. Impact. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include New Buffalo and Michigan City.
There they go.
Warning for Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Jasper County in northwestern Indiana until 12:45 a.m. At 11:32 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Gary to near Hopkins Park, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and
My internet just went out again.
locations impacted include
God damn it. Okay. My internet is back again. I'm currently catching the SVR for Porter County. Damage threat considerable and it's tornado possible.
Hanging Road, Wheeler, Collegeville, and 2 acres, including the following interstates: Indiana Interstate 80 near mile marker 16, Indiana Interstate 90 between mile marker 16 and 37, Indiana Interstate 94 between mile marker 17 and 33, Indiana Interstate 65 between mile marker 203 and 230.
They expired the TORs for Kankakee and Will. Damage threat considerable for my county.
thunderstorm warning for St. Joseph County, Indiana, LaPorte County in northwestern Indiana, western Cass County in southwestern Michigan, Berrien County in southwestern Michigan, until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:54 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 11:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 17 miles west of Van Buren SP to near New Buffalo.
Doubleheader incoming. Flash flood warning for Berrien and Cass.
70 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar.
St. Joseph, Indiana, too.
Impact. Expect considerable tree damage.
Okay.
Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Mishawaka, Michigan Harbor, St. Joseph,
Oop, wrong thing.
Westville, Buchanan, Trail Creek, Tulip Airport, Granger, Michigan City, report, Niles. Until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday, 14 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, LaPorte and St. Joseph, and the following Michigan, Berrien and Cass.
There is the flash flood warning. It read this as a flash flood statement.
St. Joseph County, Indiana, southeastern Berrien County in southwestern Michigan, southwestern Cass, Michigan County in southwestern Michigan, until 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12.
Winds are picking up in this storm. Did Mason leave? Alright. FRX5 read it as a flash flood statement on WXJ 57.
5 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact.
Oh my god, my power just went out briefly again.
Areas, highways, streets.
My power just briefly went out again, but it came back on. I don't know if you can still hear me or not, but yeah.
Locations that will experience flash flooding include South End, Mishawaka, Niles, Buchanan, Georgetown, Granger.
Here, while we get the chance, let's look at the radar.
Berkshire, Indian Village, Chino Lakes, Leidig and Barron Lake.
There's the SVR and the flash flood warning.
Flooded roads.
I think I might get one later on too.
To current vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Can you still hear me, Zach?
A flash flood warning has been issued until 5 a.m. Eastern.
I don't think you can hear me. My internet is being weird again.
Indiana and the following counties in Michigan, Berrien and Cass.
I am getting slammed.
Northeastern White County in northwestern Indiana, western Fulton County, Indiana, Pulaski County in northwestern Indiana, northwestern Cass County, Indiana, Stark County in northwestern Indiana, western Marshall County, Indiana, southern Newport County in northwestern Indiana, until 2:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wanata to near Rensselaer, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar. Buildings. Locations. Impact. Expect considerable tree damage. Royal Center, Hamlet, Badairyville, La Crosse, Coons Lake, Pulaski, Oak Grove, Ripley, Kawana, La Paz, Monterey, and Lomax. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time, or 2:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Fulton, LaPorte, Marshall, Pulaski, and Stark. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City up to mid-lake until 1:45 a.m. and spreading across at 12:22 a.m. Strong northerly winds were occurring across northeast Illinois and spreading across southern Lake Michigan. Wind gusts to 45.
Close enough to getting that.
Indiana Harbor, Montreal. Source, radar indicated. The warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time for northwestern Indiana. This is a severe thunderstorm watch. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm.
No way, they're just now toning this.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Elkhart County, Indiana, southeastern
It took them
St.
like,
Joseph County,
let me see.
Indiana, Kosciuszko County, Indiana, eastern Marshall County, Indiana, until 2:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
It took them 10 minutes to tone this SVR.
Daylight time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near North Liberty to near Culver, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Goshen, Warsaw, Plymouth, Napanee, Winona Lake, Bremen, Syracuse, Bourbon, Wakarusa, Argus, Milford, North Webster, Kirsten, Mentone, Millersburg, New Paris, Benton, Locke, Walnut, and Tippecanoe. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart, Kosciuszko, Marshall, and St. Joseph. Rain have fallen.
The first time I've been under a flash flood warning since September of 2019.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a flash flood warning for northern LaPorte County in northwestern Indiana, Berrien County in southwestern Michigan, until 3:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time, or 4:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:44 a.m. Central Daylight Time, or 1:44 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1.5 to 2.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Michigan City, Lakewood, St. Joseph, Buchanan, Trail Green, Fair Plains, Goodman, New Buffalo, Marion Springs, Three Oaks, Long Beach, Stevensville, Potawatomi Park, Shorewood Tower Hills Harvard, Shorewood Tower Hill, flash flood warning has been issued until 3:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time, or 4:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Lockport, Indiana, and Berrien, Michigan. Following counties in Indiana: Fulton, Marshall, Pulaski, and Stark. Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Wabash County, Indiana, Fulton County, Indiana, southern Kosciuszko County, Indiana, northeastern Cass County, Indiana, northwestern Miami County, Indiana, until 2:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:51 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Culver to near Royal Center, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wabash, Rochester, North Manchester, Akron, Mentone, Mexico, Silver Lake, Erie, Denver, Rome, Claytonville, Fulton, Macy, Sydney, Rick Foley, name 11.